Hello, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and in this video I will be taking you on a step-by-step guide on how to download Sierra Chart and activate the Rithmic Datafeed within the platform. This tutorial will assume that you have already requested demo access through our website. It is worth noting that the username and password you choose on our website will be your Rithmic user ID. To begin, navigate to your email once requesting demo access on our website. Over the course of this tutorial, you will receive several emails. 2 from us at Optimus, and 1 from the Rithmic administration account. The first email received from us is a confirmation for your demo request. Click on the blue link in the email to confirm your request. Once confirmed, go back and open the email received from Rithmic. Click on the link to now activate your Rithmic ID. Now that you have activated your Rithmic ID, you will have to sign in to view and agree to the Rithmic CME Terms of Agreements. As I mentioned before, your login will be the same username and password you chose on the form to fill out the request for this demo. Now that you have signed in, you will be prompted to read through the subscription agreements. This is a necessary form that must be filled out to gain access to the Rithmic Datafeed in the platform itself. Read through the forms and click Agree. On the second form, you will have the option of choosing between professional and non-professional. Choose the non-professional option. Once you have submitted the second form, you may go back to your email inbox where you will now have received the second email from us, providing you with a link to download the Sierra Chart demo. Click on the blue link provided to now bring you to the Sierra Chart website. This is where you will download your Sierra Chart demo. Click on the green box to begin the installation of your demo. Once ready, follow the installation wizard. The installation process itself is pretty self-explanatory. Click Install, and when done, you may close out the window. Once your download is complete, you may now open up the program. But first, we need to create an account. Click on the Create an Account button, and on the Sierra Chart website, click the Create Account link. Enter in the email address that you would like to use for the associated account. Click Proceed, and enter in the following information. As you can see, I have mine blurred out, but I am still entering it in. Once your information is entered in, you'll need to select one of the 3 pictures to get approved by the CAPTCHA verification. And once you've done that, you can click Create Account. Now that you've created an account, you can head back to the program window and sign in with your brand new Sierra Chart login and username. Once you have logged into Sierra Chart, you will then have to activate your Rithmic user ID within the Sierra Chart program itself. This will allow a connection between the Rithmic Datafeed and the Sierra Chart platform. For first-time users, you will be prompted with this message to activate your Rithmic Datafeed within the program itself. Hit Service and scroll down to Rithmic Trading. Now, enter in your Rithmic user ID and password. The username and password you are currently entering in are the ones you have chosen on the Optimus Futures website, the ones you have also logged into the Rithmic website with. This is different from the Sierra Chart information you just created. Once you have entered in the Rithmic username and login, the Sierra Chart platform will begin to establish a connection with the Rithmic Datafeed. Once the connection is established, it will be designated by a green rectangle in the top left-hand corner. Once established, you are now ready to begin trading in Sierra Chart with the Rithmic Datafeed. Thank you for watching.